Hey everybody! I'm so happy you all joined me today. Picking out new flooring is such a big decision, and honestly, it can feel overwhelming. You know Chip and I have tackled our fair share of renovations, and trust me, flooring can make or break a space. Choosing the right flooring can completely transform your home. It's the foundation of your design, and it really sets the tone for the entire space. Whether you're going for a cozy farmhouse feel or a sleek modern vibe, the right flooring is out there waiting for you. Today we're going to break it all down step by step. We're diving deep into the world of flooring, comparing 4 of the most popular options so you can find the perfect fit for your home and your lifestyle. Let's get started, y'all. Let's start with a classic hardwood flooring. There's just something about the natural beauty of real wood that adds so much character and warmth to a room. Hardwood is incredibly durable, y'all. With just a little love and care, it can last for generations. Plus, it can be refinished multiple times, which is amazing if you ever want to change up the color or just bring it back to life. Now, hardwood does require a bit of upkeep. You'll want to sweep or vacuum regularly and be careful about spills. But honestly, that little bit of effort is worth it for the timeless beauty it brings to your home. And don't think hardwood is limited to just one look. From rich, dark walnut to light and airy oak, there's a species and finish to fit any style. Now, if you love the look of hardwood but need something a bit more budget-friendly, laminate is an amazing option. It's come a long way, y'all, and the quality and styles available now are incredible. Laminate flooring is made with a high-resolution photograph of real wood that's protected by a durable wear layer so it can handle high-traffic areas like kitchens and hallways without showing wear and tear. One of the best things about laminate is how easy it is to install. It typically clicks together so you can even tackle it as a DIY project. And trust me, that can save you a lot of money. Plus, laminate comes in a huge variety of colors, patterns, and even textures, so you can find the perfect look to match your style, whether you love the rustic farmhouse look or something more modern. Let's talk tile. If you're looking for a flooring option that can stand up to anything life throws at it, spills, splashes, muddy paws, tile is your new best friend. It's incredibly durable and water-resistant, which makes it perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, mudrooms, and even entryways. Tile can really take a beating, and it's so easy to clean. Just wipe it up and you're good to go. But don't think tile is all about practicality. The design options are endless. You can find tile in every color imaginable, from classic white subway tile to vibrant patterned designs. And don't forget about all the different shapes and sizes. You can get creative and create custom patterns or keep it classic with a simple grid layout. The possibilities are truly endless with tile. Y'all, there's nothing quite like the feeling of sinking your toes into a soft, plush carpet. It just instantly makes a room feel cozier and more inviting. Carpet is a great option for bedrooms and living rooms where you want to create a warm and comfortable atmosphere. Plus, it's great for sound absorption, which is a big bonus if you have kids or pets running around. Carpet comes in a wide range of styles, from plush and luxurious to durable and stain-resistant options. And just like with the other flooring options, the color choices are practically endless. You can find the perfect shade to complement your decor and create the cozy haven of your dreams. If you're worried about keeping your carpet clean, don't be. Regular vacuuming and the occasional deep clean will keep it looking its best for years to come. Well, friends, I hope this gives you a better idea of which flooring option might be the perfect fit for your home. Remember, the most important thing is to choose something that fits your style and your lifestyle. Don't be afraid to mix and match different flooring types throughout your home. You can use tile in high-traffic areas like the kitchen and bathrooms, hardwood in the living areas, and cozy carpet in the bedrooms. And most importantly, have fun with it. Choosing new flooring is a chance to really personalize your space and make it feel like home. Thanks for joining me today, y'all. Thank you for visiting the McCurley's Floor Center Inc. YouTube channel. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, X, Pinterest, and LinkedIn. See you next time.